Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your work. Save files and close apps so the shutdown is clean. First, hit Ctrl+S or the app save, then quit browsers and any virtual machines to release resources. Once done, eject external drives from the system tray or Finder so they don't corrupt data. Make sure background updates aren't mid-install, pause, or finish them. This prevents data loss and speeds the process, and it sets the stage for the actual power-off commands you'll run next. You now choose the shutdown method that fits. Use the Start Menu Power Shutdown on Windows or Apple Menu Shutdown on a Mac. If you prefer command line, run shutdown/a/T0 on Windows or sudo shutdown hnow on Mac/Linux. Those force immediate power-off. Make sure scheduled tasks aren't running first because they can block shutdown. If an app prevents exiting, use Task Manager or Force Quit, but note that force quitting can lose unsaved changes. You finish by confirming the machine is fully off. Wait for fans and lights to stop, then disconnect power or peripherals if you need to. If the system hangs, hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds to force power off, knowing you may lose unsaved work. If shutdowns repeatedly fail, update drivers, check BIOS/UEFI settings, and run disk health checks. These fixes address software and hardware causes. Finally, reboot into safe mode, if needed to isolate the problematic service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.